Hello guys, it's a Sensex expiry day, 30th of April, and I hope all of you have done well. We have done very well and we made huge profit. When I say profit means in terms of percentage. So we had a capital of 1 lakh and we made a profit of more than 2 lakh, which is more than 200%. Not in absolute terms. If I need to talk in absolute terms, then the capital is also different. We have a huge capital where we have even bigger profit where we do option selling. But here with 1 lakh capital, we are buying options and we made more than 2 lakh profit. And we have got a lot of, not just one or two, in fact, three, four kind of hero zero trades that we picked, and we rallied also some. So I'll show you where we doubled the premium. I'll show you where we have taken premium from 40 rupee to 120 rupee, from 20 rupee to 40 rupee, doubled, and all these I'll show you. And then what I'll do is I'll attach the live trade that we have taken along with the mentoring participants, along with this video, so that you can watch how we taken that entry and how we exited and how we trailed something which we took at 40 rupee, how we chased till 120 rupee, and all those you'll be able to see. So before that, let me show you what happened today. So you can very clearly see you got a down move, you got an up move, again you got the dip. So this is a classical situation where option buyers can make money. But if you got trapped anywhere, then it is going to be very difficult. Now, if I want to show the orders, so what I'll do is, can you see I bought here at around 20s, 27, 26, 26, 25, 25 levels I bought, and then I'm selling at 37, 35, 42, 47, 55. So from 20 to 55, which is 250 percentage. Okay, 22, and then you are going till 55, which is 2.5, close to 2 times or 2.5 times. And it's very, so that means it's very close to 60, right? And then what we are doing again, 40. This is the best entry. You look at it, entry at 40. You can look at the timing also, 2:59. We were talking to the mentees that 3 o'clock there will be a trigger and there will be a move, and we need to see where it is going to happen. So basically at 3 o'clock, what they did is they just gave this up move to this 200 EMA. It was here, and then they give this move, and then we got this. So before that, we have taken it on the, can you see this very clearly? So where I'm exiting this is a call trade. Can you see this is a call trade, right? That call trade I have taken from, you can see this is a call trade. I've taken this very small call trade from 20 MA because we already captured this call trade from 20. And then I got this call trade where I doubled the premium. That is what you can see here. This 20s to 50s. We have taken till 55. Quantity is also high. So this much we have taken to this level, but multiple exits. Yes, of course, you cannot hold every quantity till double or triple. So when you are entering at 25, 22, when you get 37, that is 50% you will book. And then 42, that is 100% you will book. And then 55, that is like 200% you will book. So that's how you will be doing it. But what is important is that is exit at 259, we close this call trade. Perfect. 259 itself, we are shifting to the put. So call we doubled and we shifted to the put. We more than doubled. Can you see this premium where we bought at 40 and 41 and where we are exiting 109? So 80 is double. Now it is kind of triple, right? If it is 120, in fact, we have seen 125, 134 also premium. I was holding, but then when it reversed, I exited at 109, I exited at 89. And can you see the timing of this trade? This is the entry. 2:59:49, and not even 1 minute, right? How much points I've captured? Almost 80 points. And how much profit in just less than a minute? You can calculate. That's up to you, right? Even here also. Here it took slightly 5 minutes, but here is the best trade. And after that, so we close this trade here, and then immediately we are getting another trade. I took an entry at 141 and 126 because this one again going. After that, you can see Sensex again. This is a candle which we captured, but then it broke 20 MA. Once it broke 20 MA, after this is the first time it is breaking. So what we need to do, we need to chase it. Though it is higher price, I went after that at 141, 126. Now where I'm exiting, 163, and then 157, and then 145. And then this 126 is the cost. When it came there, rest of the 100 quantity, I exited at cost, closed and done for the day. So what I'll do in this video is I can show you all these trades that we have taken live so that you'll get some understanding. A lot of things will be discussed in the private group because it's an option selling session also, where our positions are and all those. We will just adjust it, and then I'll show you the trades that we have taken, not the reasons, not the other things, because we have open positions for next week, we have positions for next month also. So there is a limitation in showing that these trades, the hero zero trades, it's not hero zero, it's like practical trades. But what is more important is the way I shifted from, you can see call to put. Call, we made double. This is the beauty of the day, right? This 20s we bought, exited in 40s and 50s, double or 2.5 times. That is in call. And then the exit, final exit is at 259, where we get a separate trigger, which is, so if this is a 20 ms support trade, we are getting a bigger rejection trade, shifted immediately. You can look at the timing difference. Here I close the call trade, 259. I close the call trade, 259 itself. I entered the put trade. Uh, then from here, if you see the timing, it's just 30, 40 seconds. From 40, it went to 140. And then I was waiting. If it is 140, 200, if it going, it's perfectly fine, because we are already taking risk with the profit only. And then we got from 40 to 140, came down, so exited and exited this. And then this also we entered. This also went, but we exited again. It is, the pullbacks are also so sharp, so you cannot hold just like that. So you keep exiting. It's not that you will wait for 2 times, 3 times, or 2.5 times. You get some, you will exit. Rest of it you will trail. You keep trailing, and sometimes you'll get it big. Sometimes you will end up with small stop loss. So that's how it is to be done. And all these are done live in front of the mentoring participants. Like, we have a morning session and afternoon session. Afternoon, it's about selling. Morning, it's about buying. But afternoon sessions, there are limitations where you need to have some more capital, some more risk appetite to take this trade. Morning sessions, it's open for everyone. So if you would like to learn, if you would like to trade with us, you can get in touch with us and you can learn from us in the live market. And now what you're going to watch is how we captured these trades. But those things which we discuss among the participants, it will remain the same. It cannot be publicly given in YouTube. So of course, we'll be showing the trades. So I hope you can understand that. So let's get started. I've taken this at 125. Again, stop loss will be the candle low. 125 I have taken. Attempting for a 20 MA move, if we get it. $125 is my entry. So this candle low, this candle low will be the stop loss. Wow, 140, 143. I'll reduce some here. I'll reduce some more. So 125, 151 we got, 146 we got. We'll reduce some more. We'll keep this 200. Let's say 156, that is VWAP. 165, I'll reduce some here. Yeah, this is what we were looking for from here. Now it's very close to 20 MA. So 160. Beautiful, right? 190. I exited all. So this one, now it's at 75. I've taken this at 76. This call I have taken at 76. 84 now. 87 now. I reduced some at 87. Oh, I got 81. Because it came to VWAP. It went to 90 also. I've added some here at 20 MA, 54 level. $64. 70, 74. I'll reduce some here at 74. 80. I'll reduce some here. Yeah, we got the 20 MA bounce and 200 EMA dip also. So I'll reduce some more here at 81. Keep this 100. But beautiful trade. Again, 90. It's 90, guys. Yeah, this one was also very good. This one we tried first time, but it gave a beautiful profit, but then again reversed and I had to exit and I had to re-enter. But this one was a beauty. Yeah, 50 to 90 it went. 90 now. This one 125 to 195 was where we booked. 90 again. It's not crossing 90. Maybe now from here it may come down. Again, if it is going to 200 EMA, it will be great. So that we can get around 120, 130 in this. But if you remember, what I told us when we took this trade, what was our target? Our target was this 20 MA. See where it came? It came to 20 MA. And where we booked, 195 is where we booked. After that, it just gave a small move only. I think this we can exit. It's reversing. I've exited at 72. I've taken some, put at 40. It's 46 now. 50, 52, 54. Arey, which one? Sorry. Uh, Confused. 72. This one at 50 I've taken. This is 93 now. 105, 110. Wow, look at that. 106. Exited all. Yeah, went to 120. Back to 95. 110. Three o'clock, that's the trigger. Look at that. Oof. 40. One 160. Taken this again at 141. Oof, it's at a very high price. 141 I've taken. Added more at 132. Trapper again. . Last trade because it's 3 o'clock. Now there won't be anything. If we get this one, it will be fine. 1,000 quantity I have. Yeah, already gave good profit. So I thought we'll sacrifice some from that because it is breaking that 20 MA. On 45. 156, I reduce some here. 164, reduce some more. Array, I got 157. 165. Look at that reversal from 165, now 142. I reduce some more. I'll just keep this 100. What a reversal. What a trade, right? Both of them. So finally, yeah, that 3 o'clock trade. That's what. I wanted to break this 20 MA, so we got it. This one is also good. This one was much better. Look at that. I'll exit all now. That's a cost. Exited all. Done for the day. 2 lakh profit. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Taken this at 217. Or wait for 9 EMA. Yeah, we'll add at 9 EMA. We'll exit and we'll re-enter at 9 EMA in case if it is going below 200. Because holding till 9 EMA, it may come to 180 level also. So that won't be good. Exit and re-enter. Reduce some at 230. Reduce some at 243. Reduce some at 254. That's the VWAP now. To 64, I'll reduce some. Yeah, I'll trade less quantity because those who have higher capital, they know how to scale that. They are very clear about how to use the capital and everything. But those who have low capital, they are not sure. So they will do according to the very same, not able to scale also. So I'll trade with low capital. I mean, small quantity. 270. I'll exit all at 273. The very same trade I've taken with 1,000 quantity in the other account. Same trade. And I was able to hold till 265 also. It's 270 now. To 80. Yeah, there's the trade, Sanjay. 217. Taken this call at 245. Reduce some at 260. Reduce some at 270. Reduce some at 287. Because it was bouncing from that level. It was showing as if it is bouncing from this green candle. Exited fully at 260. Yeah, the call trade is this. You can see 245 is my entry at 9:51:47. And I got 258 within 6 seconds. I got 270 within 13 seconds. I got 285, which is 40 points within 20 seconds, and finally closed it. So overall trade, if you see, lasted just 30 seconds, under a minute. $75. Top loss will be that green candle, this green candle, because we'll be entering middle of the green candle. So around 20 points. In case if we get that, just that it has broken this low. So got it. Stop loss will be this green candle. Reduce some at 295. Reduce some at 302. Reduce some at 317. 40-point trade. How many of you got this? 275, 296, 301, 318. This is 43 points. And that a limit order, a matter of less than a minute. 43 points, but the stop loss was very small.